Craftsman style home in the heart of Northshore/Choto. Rare opportunity in prestigious Preston Landing Way year-round lake access.Main level features wide open floor plan balanced west/private office and primary suite. Striking double door entry leads to warm rich hardwood flooring on the main and staircase. Lovely stacked stone fireplace is the focal point of the oversized family room. Kitchen/eat-in area are open to the family room west/views of the private backyard. Gourmet kitchen with gas cooktop, wall oven, built-in microwave and ample seating at the raised bar space. Main level laundry/drop zone is perfect for backpacks. Covered outdoor patio is ideal for game day. Primary suite west/tray ceiling, stunning bath west/soaking tub and oversized walk-in closet. Upstairs with 3 bedrooms, bonus and storage.